You're glowing? Are you sure? I think I look pretty bad today. I just came from the gym. We're looking quite crusty. Crusty, musty, dusty. Oh wow, that's red. Yan, parang may color lang tayo. Papuntang vampira na kasi yung itsura ko kanina. If the world
next to you.
What was my tint? It was the Absidy Beauty. Ay, may beauty ba yun o Absidy lang? Absidy Lip Stain in Cherry. If you like a sweet, like a sugar.
Tell us about your workout.
My workout,
Yeah, what do you do?
it's called calisthenics. Calisthenics. So yeah, search that up. I've been doing it for so long, pero parang I started 2018. Tagal na, di ba? Pero 2 years pa lang akong consistent. So, consistency really is key, I guess. I'll hold you just for now. And I will smile. I wanna be next to you. Wow. First blush, I think she's with my mom. Oh, she's asleep. Oh, yes, she's asleep. The blush is asleep. Wow. Punta ka pong Jensen. Yes. We are right. Yes. September
Yeah, we are.
1.
Sunday.
I just woke up from a dream.
You and I had said
Manonood ka po ng Grand Beanieverse. I hope. Sold out na ata ang ticket eh. Ewan ko lang. Should I braid my hair? I don't know what to do. Ano pa yung dadaan ng Doja? Why Doja? Why? Why Doja girl? I just woke up from a dream. Lost me. If the world bag raid video content. Ooh, you want a bag raid? My bag is pretty messy. Who's with you? Show yourself. Reveal yourself. I'm with
Non-showbiz.
the Phantom of the Opera.
Non-showbiz po ako.
Napulot ko lang to sa tabi kanina after ko mag-workout. Biglang kawawa naman. So, inuwi ko na.
Non-showbiz po ako, non-showbiz.
Come on, they might think you're serious.
Okay.
They might really think. I've got a boy with me. There. Pretty cute, but I guess this is the best.
I like the braids.
Why, thank you.
Braids or pigtail? No, they're braids.
They're both. They're
Oh,
pigtail braids.
Pigtail braid. Okay. diet tips.
I am not the right person. Show us the cat. She's in my luggage. The cat doesn't like being touched. Sure, can you bring her here, please, if she will allow you? Oh, she doesn't like. Show us the cat. Sorry, Doja. They wanna see it. They might think we're torturing you. Here is the cat. She's very chunk. I love her. But she doesn't love me. Goodbye. She bites. She bites. She scratches. Sandali kasi hindi kami kasha eh. Ayan na. Pakita ka daw. Sabihin nila tinatago kita.
No. Tinatago ko sarili ko.
Why? You're weird.
Because
Oh, put you back together, and if that's true.
I'm gonna fix our our thing, I'm gonna fix something.
Okay. Sana maduet niyo yung palagi. Yeah! Aralin ko yun. Aralin ko yun para makanta na. This is not giving.
I'll play it
Name
in a
ng game, good pizza, great
Great
pizza. You inspired me to start working out. That's so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Palag. What's that frame picture behind you? It's me and baby. See you tomorrow sa PBB eviction night. See you! All your questions about PBB would be, I think it's better to answer sa PBB Gen 11 up. That means the online show tomorrow.
It's the same thing actually. It's just we advertise.
Kamusta ka daw sa school?
Oh, I'm okay.
Are you having fun?
I'm just doing it. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's say. Okay, sure. Yeah, I'm having fun. Sure.
You said you like your math.
Yeah, I like the lesson, but yeah. It's
Show
okay.
yourself. It's so hard. You have to scoot.
Okay, so it's okay. My school's okay.
Ilang kilos na na-lose mo? Honestly, I don't know. I don't really check the kilos.
I know my pounds since.
I don't check that.
You don't check. Yeah, it's actually good that you don't check. You just base it on how you.
Oh, my clothes. I just base it.
Yeah,
If my
clothes.
shorts are maluwag, then slay.
It's just the same lyrics.
Sa huli. Ilan po weight mo? I don't know. I don't check. I only check kapag kailangan yung parang sa clinic. Pag yung full check-up. Kasal na po kayo. Where's the ring? Where's the ring?
Give me some